Hi there, Sandra here from the Mortgage Center. Another video blog. I wanted just to address something that's come up. I think I got 5 phone calls yesterday about some of the announcements that the RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, was making that their interest rates were going to increase by Friday. And I personally think it's a bunch of hype that RBC is doing to get people to, commit and lock in with them. And I know that most people, or at least what I've heard on the news this morning, that there's some troubling news coming out of China in their stock market being shut down because of the decrease in the trading that's happening. But when I was reviewing the news this morning, one of the reasons why is that China's just getting used to a free market system as well. So what I do know about rates is that the forecast is from the Bank of Canada that the overnight lending rate is probably going to dip a little bit this spring, which historically has impacted uh, the different banks' prime rate. So we're probably going to see a little bit of downward pressure on the prime rate, which is going to have a positive impact on variable rate mortgages. Mind you, right now the pricing on a variable rate mortgage is about prime minus 0.3, prime minus 0.35. So we might see that discount change. On the other hand, if you look at where 5-year fixed rate mortgages are, and this is what all the hype is about, we really track the 5-year bond yield at the Bank of Canada. And I've included a link to this YouTube video on where you can find that. The actual series, if you go to the Bank of Canada website, is V39053. So if you look at that series, you actually see very much stability in the 5-year bond yield. And that actually has a direct impact on 5-year fixed rate mortgages. So, I've looked at it just this morning on a daily basis, and we're seeing 0.71, 0.73, 0.72, 0.74, and then it starts to dip down again. So my forecast and our forecast based on what's happening with the facts rather than hype is a 5-year fixed rate will remain stable, at least in the next month. And traditionally, what we're seeing is some institutions are at 2.79%, and others are at 2.99%, which is still an amazing rate. Depending on the institution. So that's it. And if you do need anything or need any advice about your mortgage, please give us a call or email us. Our phone number is 519-763-3900, or you can reach us toll free at 1-866-838-4366. I hope you have a great day, and we'll chat soon.